Hey, this is Amy with Flower Moxie, and I'm here to talk about this new product that we have. So let's talk about them. I will tell you my thoughts and opinions because you know I have them. So first of all, let's understand what's happening with these. There's two different types. You have the kind that is just painted. So what we have here is a cream rose that has been sprayed and painted, but there isn't any dye. I feel like it looks the best when you're not making a huge color jump, but I do like having the color jumps if I need it to complete a color story. So these are cream tinted with a little bit of a brown apricot, and then you have a pink that is tinted with a really light mauve, and these are one of my favorites. So instead of a cream rose, you have a pink one. So again, you don't have that huge jump. Now up close as a florist, and this is my opinion, I can tell that there's paint on them. I don't find it too plasticky, but I'm with roses all the time, so there is a difference. I probably would not use them in bridal bouquets unless I had to, but I would most definitely use them for large arrangements, arches, large installs, and even centerpieces. But that's just my personal preference. And then we have the dyed absorption and the paint. So what we have here is a cream rose that has had dye absorption, and then they've gone back to paint it a darker mauve. Okay, here's a up close one. They photograph a lot better and they look a lot better in camera than they do in person. This is a cream rose with dyed absorption, and when I look at it, all I can think is Hocus Pocus Dead Man Toes. We had pretty strong feelings about them, but they look really good from a distance. They would look really good in an arch if you're going for something moody. You want those vintage tones. I think that they would be necessary and very welcomed, but that's my opinion. So you have a lot of color variation. We have some more colors coming, ones that you couldn't get in nature, like blue and black. And we have some more novelty colors coming. I think there's definitely a place for them. I believe these are Callie's favorites, and I really enjoy these. So this is not something that you could get natural. And you can be a purist. There's many florists who are, or you can see floristry as art, have expression, interpretation, and that's okay too. What you like, somebody else might not like, and that's completely okay. But I'm really excited to offer these because we can get some different colors happening at a really nice standard rose price, and it can help you achieve the color vision that you're going for. So let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, any color requests, I'm happy to take them to the farm. And make sure that you visit us on Flower Moxie. Thank you for supporting my small business, and we'll see you next time. Well, come here, come here. Bloopers, oh, don't show your weenie. Do you like them? Which one's your favorite? You like that one because it looks more like you?